Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Learn English with Rishvi. If you're new to my channel, please click on the subscribe button to receive early notifications.
In this lesson, we will be learning about house. What are the types of rooms available in the house? And then we have a quick revision. And finally, we have quiz and activities with lot of fun. This is house and types of rooms available in the house. This is a quiz. And finally, this is an activity.
Are you ready? Let's start.
This is a house. Let's repeat.
House.
House is a building where you live.
This is called a prayer room. Let's repeat. Prayer room. Prayer room is also called puja room. We can pray to God every day. Taking blessings of God every day will give us strength and wisdom.
This is a living room. Let's repeat.
Living room.
It's the main room in house. The one where we usually hang out as a family or group of friends. The one we spend most of our time in. It's a dining room. Let's repeat.
Dining room.
It's a room for eating. That's why it's called dining room. These days, in some multi-stationary flats, there are dining room, kitchen and living room together in the same space. This is a kitchen. Let's repeat.
Kitchen.
Where you make your food. If kitchen is very small, you will call it as kitchenette. A lot of flats these days have American kitchens or open kitchens. That means kitchen that are part of living room. This is called bedroom. Let's repeat.
Bedroom.
There are several types of bedroom in the house. The first one is master bedroom. Let's repeat.
Master bedroom.
Master bedroom are generally the largest bedroom in house and often have an adjoining bathroom. The master bedroom gives an adult a place to relax. This is a guest bedroom. Let's repeat.
Guest bedroom.
Guest bedroom make it possible to have friends and family visit and stay in comfort and style. These bedrooms often have an adjacent bathroom to provide guests with more privacy. The next one is teen bedroom. Let's repeat.
Teen bedroom.
Teen bedroom is for teenager children as they enjoy spending lot of time in their bedroom, so it needs to have an environment that reflects their personality. The next one is kids bedroom. Let's repeat.
Kids bedroom.
Kids bedroom are generally smaller than the master bedroom. When choosing the furniture for a child rooms, we will match it according to the age of child. The next one is dorm bedroom. Let's repeat.
Dorm bedroom.
Dorm bedrooms are like sharing room where two or more people share the room together. This is a bathroom. Let's repeat.
Bathroom.
This is where you go to the toilet, have a bath or shower, brush your teeth, wash your face, or stare at yourself in the mirror, thinking about the meaning of life and wondering where on earth the time has gone. This is a master bathroom. Let's repeat.
Master bathroom.
Master bathroom is the biggest bathroom in the house. It is found attached to the master bedroom It has bathtub and special shower cubicle. It's a secondary bathroom. Let's repeat.
Secondary bathroom.
Secondary bathroom. It could be attached to second bedroom, not the master bedroom. This bathroom is shared by kids and other family members. This is called half bathroom or powder room. Let's repeat.
Powder room.
This types of bathroom is located in common areas of house adjoining living or dining rooms. It is meant to be used by guests to freshen up. Powder rooms are usually the half size of master bathroom. This is a nursery room. Let's repeat.
Nursery room.
Nursery room is a room in the house that is just for young kids to play. This is called study room. Let's repeat.
Study room.
Study room is for working. No TVs, no kids running around, no noises. Just you and your work. This room is also called office or work room. This is called games room. Let's repeat.
Games room.
Games room is also known as recreation room. In this room, you can play games. It's a balcony. Let's repeat.
Balcony.
Balcony is a place in house from where you can sit and relax and watch outside. It is generally above the ground floor. The next one is laundry room. Let's repeat.
Laundry room.
It's most often used for washing clothes. So it will have an ironing board, iron, washing machine, dryer, etc. This is a storeroom. Let's repeat.
Storeroom.
As the name said, this room is used as a storage to store several things. This is called garage. Let's repeat.
Garage.
The garage is a place where you can keep your vehicle in the house. The next one is basement. Let's repeat.
Basement.
Basement is a floor of building which is below the ground level. Basement is used to park several vehicles like car, cycle and bicycle, etc.
It's a revision time. Let's have a revision.
This is a house. I have made the similar video for house in Hindi. Let's have a quick revision now. Prayer room. This is a kitchen. Living room. Study room. Games room. Dining room. Let's see the bedroom and different types of bedroom. This is a master bedroom, guest bedroom, dorm bedroom, teen bedroom, kids bedroom. It's a bathroom. There are three types of bathroom we have seen. It's a master bathroom, secondary bathroom, powder room or called half bathroom. It's a balcony, garage, nursery room, basement, storeroom, laundry room. Yay, it's a quiz time. Are you ready? Let's begin. Our first question is, who am I? And the options are bathroom, kitchen, garage, and dining room. Your times start now. Time's up. And the correct answer is bathroom.
Thumbs up.
I am a place used for cooking delicious food. The options are kitchen, basement, balcony, garage. Your times start now. Time's up. The correct answer is kitchen.
Great effort. The next question is you can park car here. The options are garage, study room, kids bedroom and balcony. Your time starts now. Time's up. And the correct answer is garage. Very good. You can sleep in my room. Guess who am I? The options are bedroom, kitchen, bathroom, and laundry room. Your time starts now. Your time's up, and the correct answer is bedroom. Super!
Congratulations! You have completed this lesson successfully. Thank you for watching my video. If you really like my video, please click on the like button, share this with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe it.
Keep watching, keep learning.
Have a nice day. We will meet you soon in the next video.
Thank you.